Alright, so I enjoyed my HBX Hailstorm so much that I decided to get another 1/18 scale car from them. This time I got the Ratchet. It's a sandrail type 1/18 four-wheel drive. It's got a little roll cage exterior, a little bit smaller, skinnier tires, a little bit different design on the back end than from the Hailstorm. I'm not going to do a real detailed unboxing because these things are packaged exactly the same. If you're interested, you can check out the unboxing video for the Hailstorm. This one, I'll put the link above. So main difference is this one has more of like a roll cage body. In the front, we have two little body clips here, and then the whole roll cage lifts up. All right, now that we got a top up on the Ratchet, we can see the main differences between the two. One being the on-off switch location. On the Hailstorm, it's located over here in the front of the ESC receiver combo, and on the Ratchet, it's located on the back of the vehicle. With the top down, you can access that pretty easy. Here, you can still access it, but you got to kind of pull the Lexan body up a little bit just to be able to get to the button. So that's kind of cool that they moved it on the Ratchet. The Hailstorm comes with a little built-on aluminum heatsink on a motor. Ratchet has the same size motor, just a little 380 brush motor, with no heatsink. But it also has a lot smaller tire on it versus the Hailstorm. So that may be part of the reason they put the heatsink on the Hailstorm. The Ratchet doesn't have the little foam body mount cushions. Oh, by the way, if you guys do have a Hailstorm, I highly recommend putting some super glue on these things because they come off really easy. That one's kind of loose still. So I just put a little dab of super glue on those just to keep them under control. I would also look for some brightly colored zip ties to add on there. They're like real small ones because those body clips, they come off pretty easy and they're so small that they're pretty hard to find if that's outside in the grass or cement, gravel, or anything. They're gonna be gone. So yeah, the Hailstorm came with 2 batteries. The Ratchet just comes with 1. Main differences on the way the body hooks up. You know, they only have 2 body clips on the Ratchet. The back end is just kind of like a roll cage style that pivots. Versus the Hailstorm, it just has 4 body posts with clips. That's pretty much it. You know, same suspension, just a little spring, friction type shocks. I actually got some oil filled proper shocks on order. Probably come in tomorrow, next day for the Hailstorm. That's basically it. You can see with the tire difference that you know, the Ratchet sits a lot narrower than the Hailstorm. These tires are very big, have a tall sidewall on them, and kind of squishy. Versus these are more are a lot firmer, smaller sidewall, and then you know the offset mounts pretty much flush with the outside of the rim. Whereas the Hailstorm, you know, you're mounting maybe about an inch deep in there. So that's what gives it the wider stance. Probably affecting the handling a good bit, but we'll see. Alright, so we're outside. We'll get us a little run. I'm going to turn the receiver on first. And we get back here to this little button. Alright, heard the servo start up. Oh, one thing I didn't add is that in the box, the wing was not included. It's just simple 2 little Phillips head screws to attach it. So we're gonna bypass the slow mode, just go with normal steering, set normally. Alright, let's give it a little blast and see how it does. Y'all forgive me, I'm trying to drive and video at the same time. It's not too bad, it's pretty peppy. Full throttle, full turn. It'll do donuts on the pavement, not too bad. Decent little top speed. And let's see, if you want to put it in slow mode, there we go. That's full speed in slow mode. Good for kids, somebody who's just starting out or new to RC driving. Or maybe they're just bad at it like me. Alright, we'll go back to normal mode. Alright, let's try it out in some slightly off-road conditions. Not too bad. Flip. Yeah, you can see the small tires. It's a little bit limited on what it can climb over. Definitely not a slow crawler. It's a lot more fun to bash around and bounce over stuff. Alright, just wanted to go over one more thing for you in this review. This car, because of the size of the tires on it, is not going to be a very good grass driver. I mean, it does go some, but I mean, that's wide open. You just hear it, it's spinning a ton. if it finds a thick spot, it'll get stuck like that right there. So if all you have is a grass area to drive it in, I'll go with something that has a little bit bigger tire, or get this and then you can add bigger tires to it as well. In a follow-up video, I'll probably put the tires from the Hailstorm on here, because you can buy those on Amazon separate, they're available. I'll put the ones from the Hailstorm on here and give it a test with that, you know, and then basically you get the same platform with a roll cage instead of a trucky body. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this review. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and check back for more content soon. Thanks, bye.